amanya n'eddoboozi bapita Dr. Jose Chameleone takoga ategeja made in Uganda, superstar East Africa worldwide. Tuli ku Nangabo production. Liking, following, subscribe. Lwaki tosooka n'ojjondabako nga tonabuwaka boom. Gwe bagayo ayagala okuteeka ekibula kiteeke kudda ku Lwakabiri n'awulire.
Agala owulira engoma bwe
ate nga si kwewaana wabula kugamba waliwo miziki w'abasuubuzi ne miziki w'abaguzi. Kakati babateekawo embeera zaabwe ezo naye nobajja kukulaakulana nsonga nzigala ne barediyo ne Wizo edda baŋŋambako Chameleone musajja mukulu otwala na tuli baana bato ne Wizo yakula. Saha mutabani wange mukwano gwange nnyo nno ne juzi nali namukyalirako ewuwe ne mwana eno nsuubira bwoba wanyiiga nekyalikomyawo binnuma naye saha naye byayogera bimuva ku mutima alina ekimuluma singa badde abyogera mbu yatamiira ekyo kirala naye abyogera biva kuki ku mutima. Saha muto wange muganda wange biyitamu nze siri malayika siri malayika ne sitaani yali malayika ebya beef tebijja tuyamba kuba beef twam exploiting kifo kya beef just befriend yourselves. Nkyali wa maanyi, nkyayimba mizika abanyumira, nkyali wa mugaso, nkyali omumuli. Tusigalemu ak'obuntu, tusigalemu ak'obuntu kuba byonna bimwetuma nti byammwe si byammwe. N'ebitabo ebitutwala bino ebitabo by'eddiini kebere Bible ba Quran n'ebitabo birala bigama from dust to dust. Teri muntu agenda kuvaano na iPhone ye. No. Bina tusanga bisange ba achievement nti owaye mbina naye ebitumalamu olina afiira ku munenga akufiirako nti ano Chameleone bwatudde mu motoka eyo bamwana mpe yeragiramu muganda wange. Bino byonna bya duniya ngenda kuvugamu osanga ziba zinsanga abakungu bazibali gitambuliramu. So tuleke kwepimira ku bintu omuzungu byayita vanity bye bigwawo.
Jose Chameleone to artists. Stop the noise, let's battle on stage. Jose Chameleone has dared any modern artist to face him in a music battle if they feel they can challenge him. Known for his boldness both on and off stage, the Leone Island boss questioned whether today's artists, who he claims spend too much time making noise on TikTok, can stand up to him in a real musical showdown. Chameleone admitted that while people often criticize his discipline and character, he stands firm on one thing: his talent. I may lack discipline and all the other things people allege about me, but what I know best is singing, he confidently declared, and what many consider a response to fellow artist King Saha's recent remarks about his behavior. Chameleone challenged any musician who believes they can match his prowess to step forward for a battle. Let's leave the stories and come to reality. I'll torment you all until the day I leave Earth, he declared, emphasizing his musical dominance. Jose Chameleone has urged King Saha to end their feud, admitting that while disputes between musicians can sometimes draw attention, they ultimately offer no long-term benefits. Chameleone addressed the issue in an audio clip circulating on social media. King Saha is my son and a very good friend. I know he's hurt by what I said, but I am also human, I mess up sometimes, Chameleone confessed, expressing regret over his previous remarks that offended Saha. He stressed that rather than prolonging the disagreement, they should work on mending their friendship. Chameleone, who acknowledged his imperfection, urged Saha to understand that everyone makes mistakes. Whatever Saha is saying is coming from the bottom of his heart. I'm not an angel, I can't always be perfect, he admitted. The rift between the two musicians came to light last week when King Saha accused Chameleone of trying to sabotage his international opportunities. According to Saha, Chameleone attempted to block his booking for a show in Denmark, telling the promoter not to hire him. This alleged act of betrayal deeply hurt Saha, who had long admired and respected his mentor from their time together at Leone Island. Chameleone tried to sabotage my booking in Sweden by telling the promoter not to book me. He has a bad heart. You cannot say you're my mentor yet you're trying to bring me down, Saha angrily remarked. Beyond the professional tension, Saha also expressed dismay over Chameleone's recent comments regarding the injuries sustained by Bobby Wine. According to Saha, Chameleone dismissed the incident, saying it was Bobby's business, despite previously offering his condolences when Bobby Wine lost his brother. "It shows a lack of empathy," Saha added.